So for today's video, we are going to unbox and review a Bluetooth speaker from Tronsmart that delivers 60 watts of power output. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. And also, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube account. You could also visit our online website, that is droidhero.ph. Welcome to our unboxing review. Ayan, so here we have our Mega Pro speaker. Siyempre, nasa loob ng box. Napakaganda ng packaging ng ating speaker. Kita nyo yung mga features niya. Nakalagay na sa mismong packaging. So, tanggalin natin to. Pagka shoebox type yung box ni Mega Pro. Ayan. So, here we have our Tronsmart Mega Pro speaker. Siya. Sa loob ng box, meron tayong 3.5mm audio cable. Meron tayong envelope. And inside this envelope, we have the Tronsmart Soundtest technology card, the warranty card, and the user's manual guide. We also have here our Type-C cable for charging. And under this plastic tray, meron pa tayong accessory. Ayan, we have a storage bag para sa ating speaker. Droidhero is an authorized reseller of Tronsmart, and all Tronsmart product comes with 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Moving forward sa build quality na ating speaker, first for the dimensions, it is 250 by 82 by 104 millimeters, and it weighs 1.78 kilograms. It has a very attractive monolith design that comes in a matte black finish, and yung intuitive touch panel ng ating speaker sa top part, it gives off a very high quality feeling sa speaker na to. As for the buttons and features of our speaker, napaka-straightforward gamitan ng ating Tronsmart Mega Pro kasi lahat ng features niya may corresponding buttons. So here we have the voice assistant button. You could actually answer or end a phone call using this button. Next is the M button for switching modes. The TWS button for true wireless stereo connection. So you could actually pair two Tronsmart Mega Pro speaker to create a stereo sound. Next is the EQ button. So this speaker actually has 3 audio modes. So yung default niya is deep bass. Second is the vocal. And we have the 3D audio effect. We also have here our previous track button, the play and pause button, the next track button, and the NFC button or near field communication button for faster and easy connectivity for NFC-enabled device. And at the bottom of these buttons, we have our volume slider. At the back of our speaker, we have the power on and off button. And inside this rubber flap, the aux-in port, the USB-A port, and the Type-C port for charging. The Tronsmart Mega Pro has a stable Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. It also has IPX5 certificate, so it is splash-proof and dust-proof. And again, it has the TWS technology or true wireless stereo technology, so you can pair 2 Mega Pro speakers to create a stereo sound. It also has built-in power bank, and it is equipped with Soundtest technology. So what does it do? It eliminates harsh noise, broadens sound range, and it enhances deep bass effect. As for the specifications of our speaker, it has an output power of 60 watts with a battery capacity of 10,400 mAh. You can get 10 hours of music playtime from a single charge alone, and you only have to charge it for about 4 to 5 hours. Now for the most exciting part of this video, the sound test of our Tronsmart Mega Pro speaker. So magpa-play ako ng isang jazz, electronic, bass, and rock music gamit yung speaker na to. Let's go! speaker na to. It delivers rich and crystal clear sounds, and I guess the Soundtest technology really matters because it distinguishes the highs, mids, and low frequencies that leads to a more defined sound. So just a quick recap for our Tronsmart Mega Pro speaker. Again, it has a built-in power bank, IPX5 certificate, so it is splash-proof and dust-proof. We also have here the intuitive touch panel with integrated lighting that gives off a very high quality feeling and modern look sa ating speaker. You could actually get 10 hours of music playtime from a single charge. And don't forget the 60 watts power output sa ating Tronsmart Mega Pro speaker. So if you are interested, just visit our online website, that is droidhero.ph, and i-check out muna yung Tronsmart Mega Pro speaker natin. We also offer other products like laptops, mobile phones, tablets, headphones, earphones, and even microphones. Pay on installment is also available via Billease, so you can buy now and pay the rest later. If you have any suggestions on what products you want to see next on our unboxing and review video, just comment down below. Thank you so much guys for watching. Always remember, be safe, and we will see you again in our next video. Bye!